Hello students, how are you all? Yes, I know you are good and fine. Yes, very good. Let us we start the third standards EVS subject unit 1 lesson number 1, that is a natural and man-made things. Name of lesson natural and man-made things. This part last year also we studied. Yes na? Yes. In that subject, in that lesson, we studied about the natural things and man-made things. Yes, na? Yes. Today we learning about the what is the natural things. Can you tell me about the trees made by people? No. Animal and birds by made people? No. Sun, moon that made by people? No. So this all thing not made by people, made by a nature, and all nature things, whatever that made by a nature, that we call a natural things. Can you tell me chair made by people? Yes. Table made by people? Yes. Buildings made by people? Yes. Vehicles, all types of vehicles made by people? Yes. Then building, chair, table, vehicles, that all things made by people. So that is a not natural thing. So that is a not natural thing. Only natural things means the things that made by a nature, that we call a natural things. Okay. Then let us we start the lesson. Good. Now, what are natural things? What are natural things? Things such as rocks, stars, sand, water, air, plant and animal are found in nature on the earth. Most of these have been part of nature for a very long time. All such things are called natural things. Natural things are not made by people. The natural things not made by a people. So all natural things made by a nature. So we call them a natural things, and also that all things part of long times of the nature. So we call a natural things. Okay. Children, here they are given to picture. Now we have make a different parts of natural thing and man-made thing. Okay. See, first is the sun. Sun is a natural thing or man-made thing? Yes, natural thing. Bird, natural thing. Trees, natural thing. Then kite, yes, man-made thing. Correct. Then this house, man-made thing. This light, man-made thing. Vehicle, car is there. Yes, man-made thing. This girl, natural thing. Dog, natural thing. Cat, natural thing. Here, some flowers here and butterfly, that is also natural thing. Hen and chick, that also natural thing. Correct. And the man is a natural thing, but chair is a man-made thing. Book is a man-made thing. Yes. Do you understand what is the man-made things and what is a natural thing? Also remind here one, see, the banana tree. The banana tree is a man-made thing or natural thing? Yes, natural thing. Good, very good. In this picture, the boy is telling about the sun, moon, birds, fish and water are all natural things. We are all natural things. What word? Here cow, dogs, plants, and this boy also natural things. And here also all things are a natural thing. What? The sun, moon, then birds, fish, then butterflies. All things are natural things. Yes. Some natural things. What? Honeybees, natural things. Flowers are natural things, and they collect all things. Honey, that is also natural. We get by a natural. Here, fruit juice, then milk, then all types of vegetable. This all is a natural things. Okay. Natural things can be living or non-living things. All kinds of living things are natural things. Natural things can be a living thing or non-living thing, and also all kinds of living things are natural things. All kinds of plants and animals are natural things. A forest is a very large area where many kinds of plants and animals live in a nature. Yes, na? Yes. All kinds of things which were first part of living things are natural things. That is why fruits, flowers, and seeds are natural things. The all kinds of things which were the first part of the living things are natural. Living things are natural things. That is why the fruits, flowers, seeds, and natural are natural things. Because we get this all things in for by a natural. Yes. In the same way, milk obtained from cows, buffaloes, and goat is a natural things, because these all is a natural things. Who? Cow, buffalo, goat. Yes, na? So we get the milk by a cow, buffalo, and goats. So that all thing is a natural things. Yes. Honey is made by bees. Therefore, it is a natural things. Is orange juice natural things? Are the vegetables natural things? Yes. Honey is made by bees. Therefore, it is a natural things. Is orange juice is a natural things? Yes, because we get the orange by a tree, and also we get vegetables from a, yes, where vegetable get a plants by a plants. So this all thing is a natural things. Yes, na? Yes. The sand on a beach and the waters of the river or sea are non-living natural things. The sun, air, water, soil, and stones are examples of non-living natural things. The sand on the beach and the water of river or sea are a non-living natural things. This is a natural things but non-living things. The sun, air, water, soil, and stones are examples of non-living natural things. Same also, the sun, the air, the water, the moon, the soil, the stones are these all also is a non-living natural things. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Some they are showing the picture, and they ask to you the tick the natural things. Pen is a natural things? No. Moon? Yes. Bat? No. Stars? Yes. Telephone? No. Nail? No. Cap? No. Eggs are natural things? Yes. Because we get by a hen? Yes. Butterfly? Yes, natural thing. Banana? Yes, natural thing. Flowers? Natural things. Clock? No. Clock is not natural things. See here, water? Natural thing? Yes. Bicycle? No. Book? No. And plants? Yes. These all, some is a natural things and other is a, yes, not natural things. let us see, we study about the what are man-made things. Before we study about the what are the natural things, what are the made by a natural things, and here now study about the what are the man-made things. Yes, some things made by a man, so we call a man-made things. So things such as a plastic, glass are not found in nature. Things which are made by people are called a man-made things. Things such like a plastic, glass, that paper, that all things made by a man-made. So we call made by a people. So we call a man-made things. Man first started making a simple things from stone, mud, and seashells a few thousand years ago. Before what the started of the man made making? Yes, the stones, muds, and also seashells things before a few thousand years ago. See here, they are showing here picture of made by a man. The things made by a man. One of the first things made by man were tools from stones. These all things made by a man were the tools from stones. Yes. In the past few hundred years, man has started making the complex things such as televisions, cars, buses, buildings, and computers. These things are made in a large number in factories. See, the man started to make complex vehicles, televisions, computers, then helicopters, and also cars. These all started made by a man, large numbers in a factory. Natural things are used to make man-made things. A potter makes pots from mud and water. Potter makes pots from mud and water. The carpenter makes a table from wood. We get the cotton wool from the cotton plant. It is used to make a thread. The cotton clothes are woven from the cotton thread. Both the cotton thread and cotton clothes are man-made things, whereas cotton wool is a natural things. See here, the man-made thing, making a things by we get the natural. Yes. The mud and wood, natural things. Mud and wood, that is a natural things, that is a man. Pots and table, man-made things. But he making a pots and table, that is a man-made things. Similarly, paper is a man-made thing. It is made from wood. Wood is a natural thing because we get it from trees to make things like a computer. Several different kinds of the materials such as plastic and metals are used. See here, they are showing some pictures. Yes, na? Yes. See, similarly paper is a man-made thing, but it is made from wood. Wood is a natural things because we get from wood by trees. Yes. See here, they are showing the picture. The most man-made things are made from natural things. See, the cotton. Yes, the cottons we make dresses. Yes, clothes. Sunflower here, that is a natural thing. We make oil, sunflower oil. See here, wet plants and dry plants. We make grains here. Yes, na? Yes. So, do you understand what is the man-made things and natural things? Yes, na? Yes. See, last one. They are asking you question here. The books are natural man-made things. The books are natural man-made things. What here we ask here writing the question? Yes, books are the natural man-made things. Yes, the books are man-made things, but the books making we use a plant, so that is a answer is man-made things. And paper is made from a wood cotton. Paper is made by from a wood or cotton. Paper is made by from a wood, not a cotton. Okay? Yes. See here, value skill. My pledge. My pledge we also regular take in our school, na? Yes, pledge. That like here, my pledge. Why should I care about nature? We depend on nature for most of our needs. Hence, I will not harm the nature and will not pluck the flowers and leaves. What our pledge is there? They are asking you question. Why should I care about nature? Why should I care about the nature? Because we depend on the nature for most of our needs, and I will not harm the natural and will not pluck the flowers and leaves. Yes, na? Yes. Do you do this? Okay? Yes. See here the natural things, differences in the natural things and man-made things. Natural things can be living or non-living. Natural things is living things or non-living things. Man-made things are non-living things only. Non-living only. Then natural things found in a nature and man-made things not found in a nature. Natural thing not made by a people and man-made things made by a people. Then natural things have been part of nature for very long time, and man-made thing first made a few thousand years ago. This is the differences in natural things and non-living things. Do you understand? Yes. So again we see the natural things. What is the natural things? Things which are found in a nature, they can be either living or non-living. They are not made by a people. And man-made things, things which are made by a people, they are not living things. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Very good. Do you like the lesson? Yes. Thank you.